So, Isi, what are you about to do? What are you making?
Volcano.
Volcano?
No, pour straight there. It has to come out of there.
Wait here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Put more.
Put more.
It's cool sound effects.
Yeah, awesome.
Did you make a volcano?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what happened? Oh.
It's okay, 'cause it's just vinegar.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at all that.
Whoa.
More, please.
Oh, that's enough. I think we're done.
You like volcanoes?
Look at the air push up. It's carbon dioxide. That would put out a mat.
No, we have to wash that then.
Yeah, that's okay.
We'll put it somewhere.
Okay.
Where would you like to put it?
Right there.
Put it up here because we let it dry and it makes the really neatest looking lava.
Can we see?
It has to dry.
What do you want to see?
Your pizza on your phone.
I did a video. Can you say hi, Tata?
Bye, Tata.
Can you say I love you, Tata?
Mwah.
Oh, okay.